Welcome to a smarter, greener future with Ausweg's IoT-based energy monitoring system. With Ausweg, energy monitoring is not just a task, it's a lifestyle. Our system allows you to access and monitor your office and industrial energy use from anywhere at any time. Boost awareness, cut costs. Our IoT-based energy monitoring system has saved individuals up to 25% on their power costs. Empower yourself with real-time insights and take control of your energy consumption. Ausweg makes energy management easy. Our energy monitoring system doesn't just present data, it's standard solutions to meet your specific needs. Solve problems, not just monitor them. Let's dive into the features and benefits of our energy monitoring system. Gather real-time data through Android applications. Communicate with any kind of energy meter in your existing system through RS-485 connectivity. Integrate machine utilization and production seamlessly. Benefit from auto-billing cost calculation, single-line diagrams, and department-wise data analysis. Achieve ERP integration and connect machines with centralized maintenance management. Receive automatic reports and alerts for performance insights and utilize loss analysis reports to pinpoint energy wastage. And that's not all. Our energy monitoring system also provides energy benchmarking. Compare the standard power consumption of your equipment with industry benchmarks. Join us in building a sustainable future, lower costs, increase efficiency, and reduce environmental impact with Ausweg's energy monitoring system. Experience the power of control. Experience Ausweg.